dear students, class 8 mathematics. Today we are going to continue chapter 18 constructions with using ruler and compasses only. In the previous lesson we have learnt about different types of quadrilaterals. By using their properties we will construct special types of quadrilaterals. So dear students, have a look on this animation which will guide you how to construct to the special types of quadrilaterals.
Let's draw a parallelogram when two sides and one diagonal are given. Here we are going to draw first a rough diagram containing PQ 9 cm, SP 5 cm and diagonal QS 8 cm. Let us construct the parallelogram PQRS. Draw the side PQ 9 cm. With PQ as centers, draw arcs of radii 5 cm and 8 cm respectively. Let these arcs intersect at S. Now join point PS and QS in order to get a side and diagonal of parallelogram. Next step, with S and Q as a red center, draw arcs of radii 9 cm and 5 cm respectively. Let these arcs intersect at R. As we know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and diagonals are equal. Join point SR and RQ to give parallelogram PQRS. Let us see construction of rectangle when one side and one diagonal are given. Here we construct a rectangle PQRS with side PQ 7 cm and diagonal PR 8 cm. So first we will draw a rough diagram with all the points. Step 1. Draw a line segment PQ of 7 cm. Now draw a ray QX such that angle PQX is equal to 90 degree. Here you have to make use of compass to construct an angle of 90 degree. Now, with P as center and radius 8.5 cm, draw an arc such that it intersects QX. This is the vertex R. Join the vertex PR. Here we draw an arc with Q as center and radius 8.5 cm. At last, take the radius 7 cm and draw another arc such that it intersects the previous arc. Finally, join points P, S and R to get a rectangle PQRS. Let us observe how to construct a square ABCD when a diagonal AC is given. So here is the rough sketch with the diagonal 8 centimeter. At first we will draw diagonal AC 8 centimeter and we will draw a perpendicular bisector of AC so that distance OA equal to OC. As we know, diagonals of square are equal in length and they bisect each other. OA distance we will take as a center which is of 4 centimeter and will construct arc intersecting line L at point B and D from center O. Finally, we will join all the vertices A, B, C and D to form square ABCD. Here we construct a rhombus when lengths of its diagonals are given. Construct a rhombus ABCD whose diagonals are of length 12 cm and 9 cm. Here is the rough diagram. Let us begin by drawing a diagonal AC of 12 cm. As we know, diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Here we construct a perpendicular bisector to the segment AC by taking more than half distance. Construct arcs from both the endpoints intersecting each other and draw a line. Take the radius OB and OD 4.5 cm and cut the arcs. Hence we get point B and point D. Let us join all the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD, which is a rhombus. Now we construct a rhombus when one side and one diagonal are given. To construct a rhombus when one side is 5 cm and one of the diagonal is 8 cm. Here is the rough diagram of required rhombus. We know the property of diagonals of rhombus. Diagonals divide the rhombus into the two isosceles triangles. Draw a diagonal AC 8 cm. Now, we will draw a perpendicular bisector to the AC. Since diagonal divides the rhombus into two isosceles triangles. Here we need to get side AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, that is 5 cm. All these are the sides of rhombus. Let us construct perpendicular bisector By taking more than half distance in the compass, cut the arcs from both the end points A and C. Similarly, with the same distance, cut the arcs below the line AC to get the vertex C of the rhombus. At last, join all the vertices A, B, C, D. And here, required rhombus ABCD is formed.
I hope you have observed the all animation very well. Let us solve exercise 18th D. Question 2.
Question 2, example 3. AD is equal to 4 cm, DC is equal to 5 cm and diagonal BD is 7 cm. Here is the rough diagram. At first, we will draw side AD of 4 cm. By taking the radius 5 cm in the compass, draw arcs from the vertex D as well as A, since the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now take the radius 7 cm and cut the arc in order to get the vertex B. Join the BD diagonal. By taking the radius 4 cm as equal to side AD, get the point C by cutting the previous arc, as opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Finally, join vertex B, C and DC to get a parallelogram ABCD with the given measures. Here we go from the question number 2, fifth example, which is based on when both the diagonals and the angle between them are given. So here diagonal AC 6.4 cm, diagonal BD 5.6 cm and angle between them is 75 degree is given. Let us draw diagonal AC 6.4 cm. To this line segment, we will draw a perpendicular bisector in order to get the point O, which is the midpoint of segment AC, so that we can draw an angle 75 degree between the two diagonals. Now construct an angle of 75 degrees. Draw a line through 75-degree angle and the center O. Finally, take the radius 2.8, which is half of the 5.6 centimeter of that of the diagonal BD. By taking center O, cut the line so that we get here vertex B and D. Join AB, BC, CD and DA, which is a parallelogram ABCD.
Let's move to question 3. Here we'll construct rectangles.
Question 3, second example. Construct a rectangle ABCD if BC is equal to 6.1 cm, CD is equal to 6.8 cm. Here is the rough diagram. The two adjacent sides of rectangle are given. Let us draw side DC 6.8 cm. Then we will construct 90-degree angle from each of the end point D and C. Since each angle of rectangle is right angle. As the opposite sides of rectangle are equal, we will take the distance CD 6.8 in the compass and cut the ray from the vertex C as well as D, so that we get the point A and point B. Finally, join A and B to get the quadrilateral rectangle ABCD.
This is the last question, question 5 of construction of square.
Let us draw square ABCD with the diagonal 6.2 cm. Here is the raw diagram. Let us draw the diagonal DB 6.2 cm. As we know that diagonals of square bisect each other at 90 degree. Also, the diagonals of square are equal. So that we will draw perpendicular bisector in order to get the midpoint O in such a way that OB equal to OD. Take the radius OB and cut the arcs on the previously drawn perpendicular bisector so that we get point A and C. At last, join all the points in order to get the square ABCD.
Dear friends, solve all the remaining examples from exercise 18D. Thank you.